बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है समझना है। My name is Sajida Raza. I am a student of class 4. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn graded all maths for all level science, commerce group, new syllabus, mathematics book 3, 7th edition, chapter number 1, quadratic equation and functions. Exercise 1.1, solving quadratic equations by completing the square. Intermediate level B3 type question. Question number 4, solve each of the following equations giving your answer correct up to 2 decimal place. Also, the form of quadratic equations are written and the methods. Today we are going to learn the completing the square method. Also, the book answers and the steps are written. You can see it. We are going to this book 3 or levels. Now, the first step is divide coefficient of x. Now, 1/4 divided by 2, 1. 1.8. Square it, okay. Put it on both sides. Now, x square plus 1/4x minus 3 plus 1/8 whole square is 1/8 whole square. Now, solve and get a plus b whole square formula or a minus b whole square formula. So, this minus 3 will be go there, this will be plus 3. Then we will use the formula and we will open this. So, here will come x plus 1/8 1/64 plus 3. This will be divide x plus 1/8 whole square is equal to 0.0156. Then 156. So, now here will become plus 3. We will add this plus 3. Answer will come x plus 1/8 square is equal to 3.0156. Now, take radical on both sides, okay. 8 is equal to plus minus radical 3.056. Now this will be cut. Then make two equation and solve, okay. So, here will come x plus 1/8 is equal to radical x plus 1/8 3.0156. Then x plus 1/8 8 is equal to minus radical 3.0156 0.156. Then solve. Get a square root 1.7365. So, and this will be go there. This x plus 1/8 is equal to 1.7365. Okay. Now this 1.8 will be go there and we will divided. So answer comes x is equal to 1.7365 minus 0.25. Now then 8 get 1.6115 equal to 1.6115. Roots are so now we will do the round off. So x is equal to 1.60 16115 61. Now we can solve the second one. So here we will do the x plus 1 upon 8 is equal to minus 1.7365. This will be go there, this will be in minus and we will divide it. So x is equal to minus 1.7365 minus 1 minus 0.25. Then and minus 1.8615 minus 1.8615. Now we will round off. So x is equal to minus 1.86. So roots are 1.61 or 1.61 or minus 1.86. And this is become our final answer. So the book answers are written. You can check it. 1.61 minus 1.86 minus 1.86. It's simple means this is correct. Okay. Thank you. No like, no subscribe, only share.